Have you ever shut down your laptop at night, turned it back on the next day, and noticed that the same problem is still there? Maybe your computer was lagging, an app was stuck, or something just didn't feel right. You might think that shutting down your computer completely resets everything. But on modern versions of Windows, that is not always the case. In this video, I'll show you why this happens, what Windows is actually doing in the background, and how you can truly refresh your computer when it starts acting strange. Let's start by checking something interesting on your computer. Press Ctrl-Shift plus Escape on your keyboard. Or simply open Task Manager from Start menu. Once Task Manager opens, click on the Performance tab. Then select CPU from the list. Now look toward the bottom of the window and find something called uptime. This number shows how long your system has been running since the last true restart. For example, if you shut down your computer every night but the uptime shows 5 days, 10 days, or even longer, that means your computer has not actually started fresh during that time. The last real reset probably happened when you used the restart option. So why does this happen? The reason is a feature in Windows called Fast Startup. Fast Startup is designed to make your computer start faster. Instead of fully shutting down the system, Windows saves part of the operating system, called the kernel, to your storage drive. When you turn your computer back on, Windows quickly reloads that saved data instead of rebuilding everything from the beginning. This helps your PC boot up faster. That's why you may notice that a restart often fixes problems, while a normal shutdown does not. When you click Restart, Windows ignores the save state and reloads everything from scratch. This gives your system a completely clean start. Now you might wonder when to use the different power options. For daily use, many people use sleep mode. Sleep saves your current work in memory, so your computer wakes up almost instantly. However, if you use sleep for many days without restarting, small issues can build up over time. If you plan to leave your computer unused for a few days or you are traveling, a full shutdown is usually the better option. There is also a small trick that many people don't know. If you want your normal shutdown to behave like a full reset just one time, you can do this. Hold the Shift key on your keyboard while clicking the Shutdown button in the Start menu. This tells Windows to skip the fast startup process and perform a complete shutdown for that session. It's a quick and simple way to get a fresh start without changing any system settings. But if you prefer your computer to always perform a full shutdown, you can disable fast startup completely. Here's how to do it. Open the Start menu and search for Control Panel, then open it. Click on Hardware and Sound. Next, select Power Options. On the left side, click Choose what the power buttons do. At the top of the window, click Change settings that are currently unavailable. This unlocks the settings below. Now scroll down and find the option Turn on Fast Startup. Uncheck this box and then click Save Changes. From now on, whenever you shut down your computer, Windows will perform a full shutdown instead of using Fast Startup. Keep in mind that your computer may take a few extra seconds to start, but you will always be starting with a completely fresh system. And that's it. Now you know why your computer sometimes keeps the same problems even after shutting down, and how to fix it by performing a true system refresh. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more simple and useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.